Hi everyone, it's Jean from Gallagher Demansky. I often get questions about how many letters of recommendation somebody should have for an EB2 NIW petition. Today I thought I would answer that question in a video. Of course, in any question that you ask an attorney, they will likely say it depends. Um, so um, I'm saying that too. It depends on your case, but 3 to 5 letters can be an adequate number of letters, especially when you have other evidence to support it. And later in the video, I'm going to talk about USCIS's attitude towards letters of recommendation, so you'll understand what I'm saying. So here are two quotes from two different cases. Both submitted a large number of letters of recommendation, and both still got RFEs. So you can see they use the same exact wording. You submitted 11 letters of recommendation, you submitted 8 letters of recommendation, and then they gave reasons why the evidence was still not quite adequate. So even if you have that number of letters of recommendation, you still get an RFE. And if you had 3 to 5 letters of recommendation, you might get an approval right away. It's really not just the letters of recommendation that make all the. If you have 10 or more years of employment and you're going to use that as evidence that you're well positioned to achieve your endeavors in the United States, then you will need, well, I shouldn't say you will need, but you may need more letters of recommendation, especially if you've only had jobs lasting, say, two years. Because if you have 5 jobs with 2 years, you're going to need 5 letters of recommendation to show those 10 years of experience. So here's a sample. Obviously, the letter's longer, but this is the beginning of a letter of employment that can be provided by human resources or a supervisor or somebody who's in a level above you who can verify. This comes directly from the USCIS policy manual that you can look up on their website. That letters of endorsement, they carry some weight, but they should not be the cornerstone of a successful claim. So obviously, people ask for letters of recommendation from people who are going to say nice things about them. So when you have a letter, it can't be uh, the whole body of evidence, because USCIS doesn't know that the person who is endorsing you isn't doing it just because you asked them to. So it's important to have other objective evidence to go with your petition as well, rather than trying to get somebody to say something in their letter that will prove that you've done something. So obviously, even if the letter is true, just having a written claim from somebody is not going to be sufficient evidence without other stuff to support it.